We ordered a gaming mouse from Fantech and we have got it. So we'll be opening it. It's Fantech WG10. At first, let's check out the packaging. On the front, we have a nice image of the mouse, and here on the side, you can see some key features listed like its wireless, functionally 2.4 GHz connection, up to 2000 dpi. Pretty solid for a budget-friendly gaming mouse. So let's get inside of our Raigor WG10. We got the mouse itself, the wireless USB receiver, and the user manual. Here is our mouse. We have a battery. I didn't expect that. Then we have a warranty card. Then we have the user manual. Let's keep this aside and nothing more in this box. And here is the mouse. It feels very lightweight.
Here are the forward and backward button, the scroll wheel, and the DPI changing button. And here is the power on and off button.
Here we have to place the battery. So with this connector we have to use it in the laptop, and if we connect it, then our Bluetooth will be connected. So let's at first connect the battery, keep it aside, and here is the battery. I have to open it. If we just on it, we will see a spark of red beam. So now we have to connect it with our PC or laptop. Now let's take it out. So here is our laptop. So we connect this. So just plug it in. Now let's check the mouse. It's working so smoothly. So if we check the mouse, it's working very fine. This button is for backward and this button is for forward, and this middle button is for changing DPI. So if we change this DPI, we can see in the screen it has just decreased. Again, if we click, then it has decreased again. So it's good one and we can use it. We don't have any good games here because it doesn't support that. Overall, this mouse quality it's lightweight. Even putting the battery, it didn't increase its weight that much, and I think this is a good for your gaming console. If you have a cheap budget or low budget and you want a good quality mouse, so instead using your touchpad, you can use this Bluetooth mouse wireless, and this is very much good. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in our next video.